Wow. Oh god, I'm ridiculous. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Molly and I like to make motherhood and lifestyle content here on my YouTube channel. Today's video is really exciting because I think we've all been there, and that is when your Amazon order comes in. Now, you know when you're like on Instagram or scrolling through Facebook and then all of a sudden Amazon pops up and it's got suggested items for you. Well, I have fallen victim to that and I made a little order. I got my packages right here and I decided what better thing to do than make a video about it. So these are clothing items. There's some stuff for Gracie and then there is some stuff for me as well. And then of course, just like my last haul, I will be trying on the items for you guys. And of course, if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below so you can become a part of our little fam. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop into the video. Alrighty, you guys, I don't know what is in what package, so we are just going to start opening. This is exciting. Is it fun watching people open packages? I mean, probably not as fun as like getting a package yourself. So let's see what is in this first one. So I love a good t-shirt and I love a good faith-based t-shirt. I've been really into them lately. It is just this olive green t-shirt and it says His Grace is Enough. And yeah, it's just like a basic t-shirt and it smells kind of like essential oils. That's kind of weird. And I just love the way these look with like a cardigan, but I did get it in a size large, so that way of course it would be a little bit oversized. I don't know, we'll see when I have it on, but I think it's cute. And this actually seems like pretty good quality too. So super cute. All right, next package. Alrighty, so already I can see that one of these things is for Gracie. So it's always iffy with baby clothes on Amazon. Sometimes things run huge, sometimes they run small. 90% of the time things run huge in baby clothes. I'm pretty sure this is already looking like it's gonna be too big for her. Oh my god, this literally looks like it could fit a 2-year-old. Oh my gosh. This is supposed to be 6 to 9 months. This literally looks like it would fit a toddler. It could fit me. Well, that's a little sad because I was really excited about this, but it's just this super cute rust colored white polka dot little onesie. It's gonna be too big for her. But we'll have it for when she grows into it, when she's like 3. Alrighty, up next, you guys have probably actually all seen this shirt, but it is just this super pretty cheetah print t-shirt, and I got this in a size large as well, so that way it would be oversized and I could either do like a tie or like tuck it in, but I just have been eyeballing this shirt for so long and I just think it's so cute, and animal print is super in. But yes, this is going to be super cute. I also picked up this little bow set. These just have a bunch of super cute spring colors, so I thought this would be perfect for this season change coming up. Your girl can never have too many bows. These are just so adorable. This one I'm really excited about, and it's very accurate today. This is another graphic t-shirt, but it is just this t-shirt and it says "Tired as a Mother. Who can relate?" But it is just this really pretty heathered gray color with the black writing. And this is a size large. I love things oversized. As you guys saw in my last haul, we love casual, comfy clothes here. So yes, super excited about this. All right, this next item is another Gracie item. And again, it looks like it is massive. Like, what is up with these dang sizes? And there's like threads all over this thing. Like, look at how long the legs are on this. Can you see how long that is? I don't know, guys. That's kind of funny. But it came with a little bow as well, and I hate it when they come untied like this because I feel like I can never tie the bow as cute as it is on like the ad. So if you guys have any tips and tricks on how to tie cute baby bows, please leave them in the comments below because I seriously suck at tying bows. So this would be super cute if it would fit her, but it's always a bummer when they like are so big, and there is seriously threads everywhere on this thing. Alrighty, moving on to the next shirt. I got this in a size large and it's fairly large. Probably could have got this one in a medium, but it is just a nice pretty olive green sweater. It's kind of like shorter in the front, longer in the back. You'll see it better in the try on. Again, I got this in a large, but I can already tell it's gonna be big. Okay guys, I just want to say right now, this is seriously so staticky. Like, I can barely, look at my hair. It is so staticky. Can you hear it? You guys, I want to take it off like right now because it's seriously so static. I'm gonna say right now, so far this one is not so good. Might have to return this one. Guys, let me just be real with you for a second. After you have a baby and while you're pregnant, your body goes through like a million different changes within a year. So, you know, you're at your normal spot and then you like grow a baby, your belly grows, everything is just growing, and then you have the baby and then you like go back down to like your normal size. And like in my case, I am smaller now than before I was pregnant. So I'm in this like weird adjustment phase of like trying to figure out like what is gonna fit my body the right way. And like you have like this thought in your head of like what you're supposed to be ordering, but then like it doesn't fit right, and like, you know, you're in between all these different sizes and you just like, you don't know what size to pick, and it's just, I don't know, I probably just sound like I'm like talking nonsense, but basically usually I would order something like this in a large and it would be cute and like oversized, but this is going to be too large. I might be able to get away with it still. I don't know, let me know if you guys have that struggle too, because I don't know, it's not like it's a bad thing, but it is like frustrating. Maybe that made no sense at all, but whatever. Moving on to the last package, you guys. This one has my favorite item in it, and I can already tell it's gonna be too big, which is super depressing, but this is for Gracie. Why is everything so huge? Oh my gosh, you guys. This is straight up ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is seriously the cutest thing ever, but look at how huge this is. This is 6 to 9 months. Oh, I'm holding it backwards, sorry. Wait, what? I believe that this is the front because the pockets, and then it buttons in the back. It is just these super cute little denim overalls, and it has like this super cute little tie detail on the sleeves. And this is seriously adorable, and I'm not mad about it being so massive because that means that she'll have it for when she's older too. This is supposed to fit 6 to 9 months. Is this, oh my gosh, you guys, this is huge. I can't even get over that, but this is super cute. Again, not gonna fit her, but they are super adorable, and I can't really get mad about it because we'll have it for in the future. Yes, I'm gonna have to see if I can get these in a smaller size because I really wanted them for now, but I don't know guys, they're still super cute, and yeah, we'll just go with that. Alrighty you guys, and last but not least is a cardigan. Like I said, I love my cardigans. I got this one in a size medium, but it is just this really pretty knit cardigan, and I did get it in black. I think this would be super cute with the like graphic tees, like the Tired as a Mother one and then the Faith one too. It is like kind of, I mean it's heavy, but it's like thin at the same time. Like I don't know if you can see, you can like really see through the like stitching. But yeah, so I super love this and I'm super excited about it. And I feel like you can do a lot of things with a black cardigan. And like I said before, I really don't have a ton of black in my wardrobe, so I'm pretty excited about this. Alrighty you guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, I thought it was kind of fun to like unwrap things on camera just because you could like see my actual reaction, especially with the baby clothes, because that was ridiculous. I would say all of the baby clothes were a total flop. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And then as always, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye guys.